Hey everybody, I'm here today with a driving lesson on horn honking etiquette. There are actually many things that go hand in hand with honking a horn. Many people think that it's as simple as just pressing the horn and honking it, but there's actually a lot more to it, and I'm going to go over those things with you in this video, some horn honking etiquette rules. Alright, let's get right into it. There are basically two types of honks. There are short honks and there are long honks. Now, short honks are very useful for certain types of things, and long honks are very useful for other types of things. So basically, if you want to nicely tell a driver or a pedestrian or anyone anything, you're gonna go with the short honk. And to do a short honk, I don't really do it like beep beep. I don't fully push it down. I kind of just go like this. Like I'll just go like just like that. I'll kind of just hit the horn button just like that, or just a little like that quickly, right? You don't want to go full down because that might sound like a longer honk, and you don't want to confuse anybody. But a short honk is really simple, and most of the time the horn is actually located in the center of the steering wheel, but sometimes it might be on the sides here as well. But it's usually a button, and it's usually signified with a horn icon. It's hard to see in this video, but right here there's actually a horn icon. So look for the horn icon on your car, to figure out where the actual horn is. And obviously when you push it, you'll hear it as long as it's working properly. So short honks are usually used to alert drivers or pedestrians or anyone else about something in a nice way. Longer honks, and I'm not going to do this right now because there's actually someone walking beside the car on my right side. Long honks are usually used to alert drivers or pedestrians or anyone else about something that's more urgent, and that would be like you're holding it down. That's a longer honk. So those are the two types of honks. Okay, so let's go over some examples. Let's say the light turns green in front of you, and it's been like 5 seconds or 8 seconds. It's been a long time, and the person is not going, and you want to just nicely let them know, hey, check it out, the light's green. You give them maybe you want to give them like a beep beep. And that's arguable. Some people will say do that. Some people will say don't do that. But just short honks to let someone know that something's up. Let's say a driver is driving with their gas cap open. You'd give them a little beep beep, and maybe you'd point to their gas cap, right? Just a little short beep beep or a few beeps of the horn will alert them of something nicely. Now, on the other hand, if you have something urgent that you want to tell another driver, like let's say another driver all of a sudden is about to drive into your lane and hit you, that's an urgent situation. You're going to want to do a long honk. So you're going to want to hold down the horn, right? And not hold it down for like 40 seconds, but just beep. And that lets the other driver know that there's something urgent that you want to let them know about. So longer honks are like, I need your attention right now, this moment. Shorter honks are like, hey, check it out, I have something to tell you, right? And another thing about driving, about honking etiquette for honking your horn, is you never want to honk your horn unless you absolutely have to. And really try not to honk it if someone is beside the car. So like right now, there are people walking along the side street over here, along the sidewalk on the other side, not this side, the side that you can't see on this camera. So I wouldn't honk my horn now because like when you're outside of a car, right beside a car, a horn can be pretty loud depending on the horn, and I don't want to disturb them or ruin their day or make them shock them or anything like that or scare them. So just don't honk your horn if someone's beside or around the car, unless you absolutely have to avoid an accident or to avoid a dangerous driving situation. And don't honk your horn unnecessarily. Don't be a horn honker where you're just honking all day long. Don't be like that. And that's it. That's basically horn honking etiquette, a simple driving lesson. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.